What is in my McDonald's bag? Guess we'd better find out. Alright, welcome along to Joe Reviews. Today I've got something limited from the McDonald's. What have I got? Guess I better show you. I've got the BBQ Bacon Stack, and I've got it without onions. Don't do onions, I'll spit them right out. So I've got everything else on there apart from onions. So here it is, look at that. So it's on a sesame and poppy seed bun. So there you go. It's got 2 patties. It's got pepper jack cheese, tomato, and it's got a creamy barbecue sauce. And apparently it's a new recipe. It's got a bit of bacon on there as well. It came out about a week ago, 19th of October. It's limited edition. I don't know how long it's here for. I'm guessing just before Christmas, because I'm sure they bring out Christmas burgers. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I picked this up, and how much was it? It was £5.59. So there you go, £5.59 for the McDonald's BBQ Bacon Stack. So let's see what it's all about. So there you go, a little look at the burger there for you. Looks all right, doesn't it? You know, let's give it a try anyway. Yes, it's a tasty burger, that. I can really taste the creamy barbecue sauce. Yeah, I can really taste the barbecue sauce, and it's got a nice peppery taste. I'm guessing that comes from the pepper jack cheese. So, it's nice. So, there you go. The McDonald's BBQ Bacon Stack, £5.59, limited edition. Is it any good? Yes, it is. It's a lovely creamy barbecue sauce. It's got a bit of a kick from the pepper jack cheese. It's got 2 beef patties. It's a nice burger. Would I recommend it? Hell yes, I would. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.